Hi guys, welcome to Mac to Explore YouTube channel. First of all, we thank all our subscribers and viewers for all the support and encouragement you have given to us. In the software part, applications, we need to pay attention on these 4 points. First is we need to install Telegram application. You have to get your Telegram chat ID, then create a Telegram bot, and then get bot token. Telegram application is our main interface to interact with this security system, so we need Telegram application to install on our smartphone. We have given all this procedure, this all 4 points. We have given all this procedure about how to install Telegram app, how to get your Telegram chat ID, and how to create your Telegram bot and get bot token. This all procedure we have given in a previous video. You can check out the link in the description of this video, as well as you can click on this I button to get this all info. So let's move forward. Okay, in the software part, let's see about code of this project. We'll program AI Thinker ESP32 CAM development board using an Arduino IDE. So make sure you have that installed in your Arduino IDE. You can check out this video given in a I button where we have explained how to install Arduino IDE and on your system, and how to install ESP32 development board into an Arduino IDE, because these boards ESP32 and ESP8266 does not comes with the installation of Arduino IDE. You have to install them separately. So you can check out this video how to install them. To interact with the Telegram bot, we'll use the Universal Telegram Bot library created by Brian Locke that provides us an easy interface for Telegram Bot API. But make sure you should install this library using the GitHub link of this library. We will share this link in the description of this video. Don't install using Arduino IDE library manager because it might get installed a deprecated version. We will also have to install Arduino JSON library. You can install this library using Arduino IDE library manager, but install this library, Universal Telegram Bot library, using GitHub link. Now let's see code of this project. So here is the code of this project. Home security system using ESP32 CAM and Telegram app. Here we have included all these libraries as we have seen earlier: Universal Telegram Bot library, Arduino JSON library. Here you can install this library using here include library and manage libraries. Then you have to replace your Wi-Fi credential with SSID and password here. Then you have to replace the chat ID here and bot token here. We have explained in your previous video where we have explained how to get your chat ID and bot token. This token will get you when you create your Telegram bot. This is all about code of this project. We have implemented all the commands here: enable door, enable motion, capture photo, all this command in a code. You can check out this code on our GitHub page. We will share the link in the description of this video. So this is all about code of the project. Now let's see how to program this into ESP32 CAM development board.